behind me has been ramming me.
Well,
Some
the curb
people
hit
are,
me. I didn't.
some people are goody two shoes.
Oh, come on.
See, they don't have where you can personally sign yourself in. I always get a deluxe.
Sweet.
She's not gonna say anything.
She should, because she's the head operator. Yeah, see, there's a holdup right now if you look in front of you.
Lesbianism, 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 lesbianism. Why are they saying that? It was a chocolate chip cookie mocha and red velvet donut.
See, if you act really nice, they'll like you. They don't think that you're gonna be a problem. But look at us. Look at us. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm literally
Let's go,
gonna add
Right.
the pile on. Can I get my ticket?
Yes.
You said you could go to another line if you wanted.
Congratulations on your promotion.
We wanted deluxe. Did you get your ticket?
Yes. Here,
Okay,
don't
thank
worry.
God.
I'll be extra good. Oh, hi Claire. There. Get in my car, Claire. Abby, you still can't get in my car because of the flood.
Yeah.
Stop! There's a head operator actually. Oh my god, look, the car's in front of us. Look.
Howie! Yow!
See, I like to step on the gas a whole lot.
As you should.
Look at inside the car wash.
Wait.
I just need to unlock my car.
Nah, just keep driving.
I love how we're all like butt to butt here.
I'm fine.
The person's about to call you out. Oh, okay. They walk by.
Come on, you guys, I swear I'm being unproblematic.
An unproblematic queen.
Go!
Look what I.
God, I hate.
I hate people named 50k too cool.
You need to go right over them, Braylon. Then back up. They can't be upset. Jamal. Oh my god. Stop.
Ouch!
Back up.
New driver. I can't back upstairs.
Oh, hey, they left.
You guys, I could cause major problems.
Ouch!
Like, I just like to say that I could cause major problems by completely stopping. I actually got my car stuck. Like, on this, like...
Hey, this guy's in our...
No! No!
No men in the car.
This is so underwhelming.
No. Listen, let me cook. Let me cook. See, look, they're gonna have people out here.
Hey, this guy's pulling up. Youch!
They're not gonna like this one. I got a
I gave you a warning!
I'm AFK.
Ironic. They gave you 2 warnings! Sorry, my grandmother wanted to talk to me. Hey, why am I in the car?
I have 3 warnings.
Wow.
Are you gonna get kicked?
Proceed.
Oh, I'm an inmate. I'm in jail, you guys. I might need somebody else to drive.
I got you.
I'm gonna
Don't
go
worry, you guys.
for abusing the system.
Yeah, you literally went AFK to talk to your mom, grandma.
Yes, and my my grandmother on her deathbed. How dare she? Let me just.
I'll buy a car.
What's her
buy a-
name? Like, what's her name?
Her name is Melanie. MEL0NII.
Is that like her username?
Oh, let me find out.
Bro, this soccer player just ran me over.
Yeah, that's her user.
Information.
Sorry.
How do I get a car? I'm gonna kill you.
Okay. Here.
I can't spawn a car for some reason.
Oh. Hold on.
Oh my god, I think she just left the game.
Oh well, I reported her anyways. get nuked on so hard.
I literally cannot get into your car. Just like in general.
It might be locked again. Yes. Here, I'm despawning this one. I don't want it. It's only a 2-seater. I need like at least a 3-seater. We'll go back in our pickup truck.
It's not that serious to get a car wash.
Look at those people.
That girl's a head operator too.
They don't care. Owie.
Like a ouch.
Abby, I need you to say I have a boo-boo. Can you kiss it better? But don't fall off. Because look at these people. You should have seen it. One time I was in a server with this dude who was excellent.
Wait, should I tell it to the shift leader?
Yeah.
I have a boo. Can you get it?
The emoji.
I feel embarrassed now.
I wonder why I can't move.
4 chicken nugs is sitting in silence right now, and that kind of scares me. He is appalled. Am I about to get a warning? No, I'm too good for this. Trolling. Oh, hey, I just got my payout notification.
Rolling this whole time and I've not gotten a single warning. Like, I've been being rude to these guys.
But it hurts.
What did you
It's
do?
because you're robbing. It's because you're a man. Sir? She says, boo-boo, what are you yapping about? Making car noises. Do you like them? It hurts. It really does hurt. You too. Oh, she left! Are you kidding? Anyways, so now that you're just here, now I can be racist.
Oh, recording
Oh no, 4K.
in 4K. So, ouch!
Ouch!
Owie!
That's wrong, Pookie.
Oh,
Assistant manager. You guys, boom, 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 boom. You guys are at home.
I got.
Huh? Did you get a warning? Get a warning? Cutting 3. Cutting. I hate you guys.
Literally, what did I do? I literally could not help it. I literally could not help it. I literally could not help it. You know what I can help? Me backing, me causing traffic